morning. This is how to make on the Raspberry Pi a Raspberry Pi 4, yes. How to make an Etchy sketch. So here's on the Raspberry Pi we've bought a sense hat which sticks onto the top. And it's got a little joystick. Now when you move the joystick up and down, hopefully you can see this, it draws the pattern. And then when you've finished, you give it a shake and it disappears and you start again. Now we've done this using Scratch 3. So
no, not Scratch 3, we don't even have Scratch 3.
What's this program called?
We do, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
Think of Raspberry Pi.
Okay, so this is how you code it. First of all, you make what's this called? The red thing, a block.
A block.
And
make a block called.
Well, you can call it whatever you like, and this runs the program. So
X, Y.
So you have to
with the input of X and Y.
X and Y, yes.
And then that's the script involving actually printing the moving onto here.
Yep. Now you have to download the Raspberry Pi Sense Hat extension by pressing the extension button down there.
Yeah, and how are you connected to the Sense Hat? Oh, you have to watch another video for that. We don't have a video yet.
Now then, these instructions here are down here. Theo, you scroll up a bit. So what you have to do is when green flag clicked, and you can pause the video to program this. You make two variables. You make a variable for your X coordinate, and you make a variable for your Y coordinate.
As I did, Sense Hat X and Sense Hat Y.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not no good writer. Should just do one letter instead of one word.
Okay, so yeah, SH stands for the Sense Hat. So first of all, you want it to clear display when it starts. So when you switch it on, it clears display. Then you have a forever loop, and then within the forever loop you have 1, 2, 3. You have 4 ifs. Now each if statement is for the direction. So a right arrow, a left arrow, an up arrow and a down arrow. So for each of your directions you want to say change your sense hat, keep it still here, sense hat X by 1. Then you need it to wait just a little while, otherwise it doesn't quite work, because I think the Raspberry Pi just needs a little bit of time to program it. Then you send that to your block, sense hat 1.
Sense Hat X. Sense Hat X.
Add X.
Y. Sense Hat Y.
So once you've done all of that, once you've done all of those if statements within the forever loop, then that will work. But what will happen, if we go back to the Sense app, is when you get to the edge, it will disappear off the edge.
Yeah.
Unless you write this extra code, which we've done, so it stops at the edge. Right, scroll down a bit, Theo.
Do you mean scroll up?
Yeah, scroll up. Just so we can fit that in. Right, stop. Right, ignore that green bit, that should be deleted. So this bit, to stop your dot going over the edge, is when the flag's clicked again, we have another forever loop, and then we have 4 if statements again, and within each if statement we have the operator less than. So if the sense hat X coordinate is less than 1, then we just set it to 0. And we do that for every one. There we go.
And that's for these two, those are more than.
And once you've done that, you have got your sense hat Etchy sketch. So have fun.
I'm a daddy all about. No!
Oh yes, and the last thing
is when shake the display. That's just
very simple. When you shake it, it clears display.
So
yeah, there we go.
It just gets rid of it all.
Yep. Goodbye.
Bye.